Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a button in Webflow. First, open your Webflow designer and go to the page where you want to add your button. On the left side, you will find the Add Elements panel. Simply click and drag the button element from this panel directly onto your design canvas. This is the foundational step to begin building interactive elements on your site. Now that your button is on the canvas, it is time to make it visually appealing. Select the button to open the Style panel on the right. Here, you can customize its appearance by changing the background color, text color, and font size. Experiment with padding to give it some breathing room and adjust the border radius for rounded corners. There are hundreds of style combinations to explore. A button needs to do something. With your button still selected, navigate to the Interactions panel. Here, you can add a new element trigger, for example, a mouse click event. Then, define the action you want the button to perform. This could be linking to another page on your site, opening a modal window, or even triggering a custom animation. This step brings your button to life. Finally, it is time to make your button live and ensure it works perfectly. Remember to save all your changes within the Webflow designer. Then, publish your project to push the updates to your live website. After publishing, thoroughly test the button's functionality. Click it on different devices and browsers to confirm it behaves as expected. This ensures a smooth user experience for everyone visiting your site.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.